They taste like a biscuit. Well, welcome once again to our channel. I'm the Big B, and it's time to make biscuits for February. Today's recipe I chose is whole milk biscuits. Of course, we don't drink whole milk, but we will drink it and adapt it with Oatly. It's a beautiful day to be cooking today. We have snow on the ground. We have our fireplace going. Well, it's on the TV, but it's nice and cozy in here. So I'm glad you're with us. We're gonna get started right now with the recipe, whole milk biscuits. First thing is we're going to start to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. We'll check. It's on the middle rack. So we're good to go.
Did you press start? Did you press start?
Press start. Press start. That will preheat the oven. Flour, 2½ cups. 1, 2, 2½. Next, baking powder. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Baking powder. 1 tablespoon. One teaspoon of salt. Salt. 1 teaspoon. We're going to take all those ingredients and we're going to whisk them together to combine. Okay, I believe we've whisked quite satisfactorily. Now we're going to measure out 1½ cups of cold milk. Now we're going to take 1, whatever, stick, 8 tablespoons. We're going to melt this in the microwave if I can figure out exactly how you open this up. There we go. We're going to give it about 30 seconds.
Cover it up with...
We're going to cover it up with some wax paper. This is going to be interesting. We're now going to pour the melted butter while still hot into the cold milk. Gently stir until the butter forms clumps and the mixture looks curdled. Whoa. Is it clumping? Doesn't say how long to do this. We're gonna place it in the fridge. Maybe it wasn't cold enough. We're now waiting. We'll go ahead and whisk this to make sure it's really well mixed. It looks a little curdled. Not something I'm gonna drink. Okay. Now we're gonna pour this into the mixture. The same as always?
It'll be shaggy and
Sticky. It doesn't look shaggy and sticky. Put some flour in it, you think?
Yeah.
She told us not to do that, but we're gonna do it. A bit more, you think? Just keep that. Half-inch thickness, 2.5-inch cookie cutter. Don't twist, it said. That was a little skinny on the side. That's probably enough, don't you think? 3, 6, 9, 12. That's exactly what the recipe had called for. So we've done something right. We're now gonna put them in the oven for about 15. Our oven runs a little bit hot, so we're gonna set it for maybe 13. And then we'll look at them. Let's hope they rise. Let's hope they taste good. Okay, we'll give them a check. We stopped them a couple minutes early. Pull them out. Take a look at them. I think they got a little bit more to go. 2 more minutes, which is what the recipe asked for. But last time I did this, I learned my lesson because I almost burned them. Better to stop them early than to burn them. Up. Up.
I'm curious, Daddy. Where's the biscuits?
You like biscuits? Okay, 2
Where's the
minutes
biscuits,
are up.
Lucy?
We'll give them a quick gander. Quick gander.
Look out, Lucy, it's hot.
I think they look good.
I think they're done.
So we're gonna let them cool a little bit, and then of course the cook has to test them. It's one of the favorite parts of being the cook. So we'll come back in just a minute and see how they taste. Strawberry jelly, the best. That's my favorite part. They taste like a biscuit. They taste good. You know what? We'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. Come back another time, we'll be doing some more cooking, whether it's me or of course the better cook, Little T. We'll see you next time.